Please subscribe to his channel. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make aesthetic wavy text using Phonto. So let's get started. First, I used my Phonto app to make a text, and choose my font I want to put to my video or thumbnail. Use some green screen or background to make it easy to you to change the background of the text later on. After to my Phonto app, let's proceed to make a photo app. This app used to give some wavy effect to your fonts. There is so many effects you can use here. But now we will use wave effect. After we used wave effect, we take some photo and video. Let's go to my background eraser, where we will erase the green background, and to become ready to overlay another photo. Next app is where I mostly use this app to my thumbnail. Canva. I use Canva in many ways, especially to my thumbnails. You can choose sizes you want. Lastly, we will try it to a video. I used Power Director as my editing app. Let's choose some photo or video. the overlay, then choose the wavy text we edited earlier. After that, click it and go to option above the pencil one, then click chroma key. After you click chroma key, you erase the background. Then ta-da, we already have wavy text in our video. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.